Good morning, Team Fullest. So let's start another vlog. I'm here in Arnhem again today for another driving lessons. I'm waiting for my driver to come a little bit late, but it's okay. So I'm waiting. The weather is a bit crazy. So it's raining a little bit. It's very cold outside. I took off my braids. I relaxed my hair. Yeah, so I'm just waiting here. I have my face mask. I haven't put it on yet, but I'm just waiting. After the driving lessons, I'm going to the city. I'm going to look for a few Christmas clothes for the kids and all of that. So yeah, I only drive for 1 hour once a week, every Friday. Once a week, every Friday, 1 hour, you know. And I want to keep on going like that because I need a car in my life. Because when I have a car in my life, it's a little bit easier to travel around with the kids and do your own thing, you know. So yeah, let's just wait for this man to come. I hope he shows up. Yeah, it's so cold. I'm standing outside. This is the station of Arnhem. It's a bit cold. So I'm just gonna wait till he arrives. Hopefully he arrives on time. Because it's very cold. Nobody got time to be standing outside in this cold and waiting and waiting. So but I know he will be here very soon. There it comes. My driving instructor is here. So I'm going to start driving. Here it is. Welcome to the Primark. I'm looking for something, a black oh yeah, something like this. No. You know what I want to look for? I don't actually have anything that I want to buy, actually, but I'm looking for something. If I find it, going to the children's sections. Looking for some leggings for the kids. You know what? I think I will do that before the Christmas or after the Christmas. I'll come with the kids and do some shopping because the children know exactly what they want. And if you buy something they don't like, it's going to be like, it's not nice, I don't like it. Okay. I'm looking for this ballerina shoes. Please let me have. So it's 27. This one will, for the younger one, I need another size. Oh, I can't find the girl. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit too big. Just for the Christmas, something to wear. Something to wear with the Christmas clothes. Well, I get one for the little girl, but I couldn't get for the older one, so maybe I have to come back. I'm going to the TK Maxx to look for shoes, to look for dress for the kids. But for now, let's go downstairs. Oh, I have to go the other way. I've got one shoe for the girl. I think I should have got size 28. I'm gonna get another size because I feel like this is gonna get till next month.
Oh nee, dan nog niet, hè? Nee, je foto's niet.
Yeah, a size bigger. This is 28. Yeah, because the shoes that she has is 27 and it's a little bit tight, so till next month I feel like it's not going to fit anymore, so I think 28 will be more better. Now I'm looking for something like this, but then in black with no print, no text, nothing at all. I don't have it. Let's check the Primark beauty section. You know what? I want to pick up one of those false nails, and oh, Primark do have some setting powder for dark skin. Wow. I'm not gonna buy makeup, but I want to buy one of those, one of these nails. I want to give it a try. I'm looking for a neutral color, something that will match my skin tone. I want something brown. I feel like this a little bit too light, but I feel like it would be nice. They don't have other colors. Nope. Let's just go for this one. This one. Is it the same with that? Oh, this one is the matte one, and this one is the... You also have hair glue. You also have some false nails and nail glue and all of that. And you have more options. This is okay. Oh, makeup setting. False lashes and lash glue. You know what? Let's go for the custard. Oh. I got some stuff for the girls, which I think they're going to like. And I got one stuff for myself from the Zara. So now I'm going home. So guys, I'm home. I had so much stuff in my hand and I couldn't continue the vlogging, show you guys. I went to the Zara. Oh my god, guys, I went to the Zara. Well, actually, I didn't got any. Yeah, I got one thing for myself, but I went to the Zara and I picked up some stuff for the kids. I have been eyeing this clothes for a while now, so I pick it up. Ooh, this is so, excuse the mess on my bed. I have like Christmas gifts. I bought today all the Christmas gifts for the kids, so everything is just lying down in the bed. I got this one for my older daughter, the older one, and the younger one. I got this leather something. I want to do photo shoots for the girls. I have this camera that I have my camera that I don't really use this camera, so I want to do photo shoots for the girls. So you know, I just want to do some really nice photo shoots and put it on my Instagram, show my kids, you know. And you know, and I got this one for the little girl as well on the TK Maxx. This one for the little girl. And what else? Yeah, and I got this one also on TK Maxx for the older one. And I got boots from the Zara. Excuse the mess, my room is a mess. I got these boots from the Zara for the older daughter, my daughter. And I got this black clothes from the Zara for myself. I got a bunch of stuff, and I got some Christmas gifts for the girls there, and I got all over. I need to clean up, and I also got myself something nice. I got myself the Dior Poison Girl, or the perfume. Yeah, so now I have this one is going to be on my collection. I do have this crazy perfume collection. Well, not really too much, but I'm really obsessed with perfume. Okay, you guys, I'm showing you guys this Rihanna perfume. I have Dior, this one. I have Chanel, this one. I do also have the black one. I have Angel, which is here, and I also have this one. I have La Vie est Belle, which is also one of my favorite, and I have this one, and then now I'm going to add the Dior Poison Girl. I have this one, which is a gift from my mom, but she passed away. It's almost finished. I don't really have a lot in here, but I'm trying not to finish it. It just reminds me of her. This was the last gift she gave to me before she passed away, so I'm like keeping it. And I also have this little one for in case I'm going somewhere weekend. I don't want to take a big bottle of perfume. I just take the small bottle. I do also have this one, which I really like as well. Don't know if you guys can see, which I also really like. And yeah, so now I have the Dior Poison Girl added to my wish. I still have one more that I want, but I thought let me just get myself that. And I got some nails from the Primark. I've shown you guys. I also got this brown top from the best shop. So I pick a bunch of stuff, and I've shown you guys this shoe that I got for the little girl for Christmas, because sometimes it's kind of difficult to find it when you go to the store. It's already finished, so not that she need it right now, but I thought let me get it now. And I got some headphone for my son. I also get another one. This one, that one is for his PlayStation, because he play PlayStation, and this one is for his laptop for school. And what he wants for Christmas is this PlayStation card that you can pay online. So that is what he wanted for Christmas. But I also got him this, not only the PlayStation card, but I don't get the PlayStation card now. I'm gonna get that one later. But I also got him this one as a backup, just to, you know, complement the PlayStation cards, because the PlayStation card is just a really small package. When you package everything, it's just a small. So it looks a little bit crazy that the girls are opening different packets, while he's just opening only one package. So I decided to get him a headphone, and I also want to get him something nicer also as well to add it to this, so at least he also have something more to open. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. You know, I got some. Oh yeah, I got this pen from the Action for my daughter, because she wanted tablets for Christmas. So I got her tablets. I picked this up on Black Friday, and so I got this pen, and I also got her some protector to protect the tablet, and I also got her some headphone, you know, and this shimmy and shine Barbie, and I got some pretty nice colorful Barbie brown sugar for the little girl. She wanted Barbies and Barbie house, so that is what is lying here. And she got like 3 Barbies, one in here, and she got 2 brown Barbies. So the bedroom is a little bit mess, but yeah, you guys can't really see me good. But yeah, I'm really tired. So I just came to the room. I just go lie down upstairs. I'm really tired. I'm super tired. But yeah, this is everything. Thank you guys so much. I feel like I'm gonna close this vlog here, because I don't know what to do. I really want to just relax and sleep a little bit, because the little girl is still at the daycare. So I want to sleep a little bit, take some time off. Whenever I do pictures like this, when they have the clothes on, I'll definitely do pictures. Follow me on my Instagram at Amifullest. That is my personal Instagram. You guys will see pictures of the girls there. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next vlogs. Team Fullest. Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Bye. I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired.